Your 2021-2022 Ford Bronco key fob uses a CR2032 battery. When it weakens, you'll notice reduced range or unresponsive buttons. Replacing it yourself is easy, saves money, and takes just a few minutes. This video guides you through the process. Common signs of a weak key fob battery include needing to be closer to your Bronco to lock or unlock the doors. This reduced range is often the first indicator that the battery needs replacement. Another symptom is inconsistent remote start functionality, where the feature works sporadically or fails completely. You may also see a low key fob battery warning displayed on your vehicle's dashboard or infotainment screen. Don't ignore these symptoms. Replace the battery promptly to avoid being stranded with an inoperable key fob. For replacing your Ford Bronco key fob battery, you'll need a new CR2032 lithium coin cell battery, which is available at most stores or online for $1 to $5. A small flathead screwdriver or plastic pry tool will help you open the fob casing. Avoid using sharp objects that could damage the plastic. For longer battery life, choose a quality brand like Panasonic. First, locate the small notch or seam on the back of the key fob. This is where you'll insert your tool. Next, gently insert the flathead screwdriver or pry tool into the notch. Now, twist the tool to separate the two halves of the fob. Be careful not to apply too much force to avoid cracking the plastic. Once the key fob is open, carefully remove the old CR2032 battery. Take note of the orientation. The positive side with the plus symbol should be facing up. Now insert the new CR2032 battery. Make sure the positive side with the plus symbol faces up, matching the original orientation. Finally, ensure the new battery sits securely in place. Give it a gentle press if needed to confirm it doesn't move. Align the two halves of the key fob and press them firmly together until they snap closed. Test the fob by pressing the lock, unlock, and remote start buttons within a few feet of your Bronco. If it doesn't work, double-check the battery orientation. If your key fob still doesn't work after replacement, first ensure you're using the correct battery type. It must be a CR2032 lithium coin cell. Also check that the battery is properly seated in the fob without any gaps. When opening the key fob, avoid using excessive force. The casing has a small notch or seam. Pry gently with a flathead screwdriver to prevent cracking the plastic. Water damage is a common issue that can cause corrosion inside the fob. Always keep your key fob dry, work in a dry environment, and avoid exposing it to moisture or extreme weather conditions. One of the most common mistakes is incorrect battery orientation. The CR2032 battery must be inserted with the positive side, marked with a plus, facing up. Double-check this before reassembling the fob. Remember, only use CR2032 batteries. Other sizes like CR2025 won't fit or power the fob correctly. Also, dispose of old lithium batteries responsibly at electronics recycling centers to protect the environment. Proper disposal of the old CR2032 battery is important for environmental safety. These lithium batteries contain hazardous materials and should be recycled at a designated center. Key fobs are evolving with technology. Newer models incorporate Bluetooth connectivity for smartphone integration and may use rechargeable batteries instead of disposables. For your 2021-2022 Ford Bronco, the CR2032 battery remains the standard. This reliable coin cell provides the necessary power for keyless entry functions. This DIY battery replacement approach saves you money compared to dealership service and ensures your vehicle remains operational.